This is John Agan with thebitbag.com, and I'm here to unbox the NewerTech Guardian MAXimus Raid Ray. So, let's take the knife here and open this. Oh God. Open that up. So this is a RAID array. It's got 2 hard drives in here, and it does mirror storage so that your data is safe if one of the hard drives fail. We have power cord, USB cable, an eSATA cable. That's probably what we'll be using to see how fast we can get it. Firewire. This comes with all of the connections. Really have no clue what this one is. And the power supply. Alright. Now this thing's pretty heavy. As you can see, it's not too big. It's actually very nice. Got a nice metal finish. The top is a brushed kind of metal. Well, they're both kind of brushed metal. Got plenty of airflow. It'll tell you power and which hard drives are on. And there we go. So we've got a USB 3 port, eSATA, Firewire, and Firewire. So we've got Firewire 800 and Firewire 400. And then we've got an on-off switch here. And it's even got a lock there so that if you are somewhere out and about, you can use one of those laptop locks. And it's got a fan that pops out pretty easily to do some air blowing if you need to. But that's it. That's the unboxing for the Guardian MAXimus RAID array from NewerTech. Look forward to a review from thebitbag.com.